Hello. In this tutorial, we're going to go over how to create assignments in Google Classroom. So the first thing you want to do is go to the Classwork tab once you're in Google Classroom. Once I'm in Classwork, I'll click the Create button. You'll notice that I have a few options here. We're working with the assignment option, so I'm going to select Assignment. I'm going to need to give my assignment a title. Any instructions that I want to give to the students, I would put here under instructions. Now it does say this is optional. You don't have to have this for the assignment to work, but you're probably going to want to give your students some type of guide there. Now, you'll see I have two buttons here. One is Add and one is Create. If I click the Create button, it gives me some options. I can create a doc, a slide, a sheet, a drawing, or a form. So these are things that I could create and use as a template. Now, if I already have a template created, I can just click Add and go into Google Drive and select that template. Or if I want the students to visit a website, I could insert a link. If I have a file on my computer that I want to add, I would select File. And then YouTube is going to allow me to attach a YouTube video for the students to watch. Now I'm going to go ahead and select something that I already have in my drive. So I'm going to go to Google Drive. This is my soil lab report here. I select it, click Add. Now one thing that's very important, if you only want the students to be able to look at the template or to look at the PDF or whatever it is that you've attached, you want to make sure it says students can view the file. They'll only be able to view the file. If you select students can edit file, students will be able to go in and work and change things within the file. Now, if you select that, that means that all of the students will be working on one file together. If you want each student to have their own copy to be able to edit and do things in, we want to make sure that we have make a copy for each student selected. This is the one that we're probably going to want to go with the majority of the time. Now we have some other things over here on the right-hand side. So this is for first period bio. But if I have multiple classes that I want to send this to, I can check off multiple classes and create an assignment for more than one class. Also, if you only want it to go to specific students, you can go in and select just one or a few students. If you want it to go to everyone, you select that all students option. It will send this assignment out to all of the students in that class. Points, how many points you're going to give to the grade, and then our due date. So we can select a due date or put no due date or no time. We'll just say that this one's going to be due on March 19th, and we're not going to put a time for this one. Topics. If you don't have any topics, it will say no topic here, and it will give you the option to create a topic. And that's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to click Create Topic. And my topic is going to be lab reports. Now, topics are an easy way to organize the student work. So now anytime that I have a lab report or something like that, I can just go in and select lab reports as the topic, and it will sort all those assignments for me. So how you want to name your topics is going to be up to you as a teacher. A lot of teachers, I've seen them create topics by week or something like that. You know, maybe this was the week of March 9th. So all the work for that week would be selected underneath that topic. Just an easy way to sort those assignments. So now that I have everything done here, I'm going to click this drop down and I can assign it right now. It'll go directly out to the students, or I can schedule this to come out at a later date, or click Save Draft and I can come back and work on this and add more things to it later. I'm going to go ahead and click Assign. You'll notice it says assigning. It does take a few seconds. And there we go. When I'm in my Classwork tab, there's that topic that I created, lab reports. And underneath it, here is the assignment. Due March 19th, the lab for soil.